Alright guys, today we're going to try to air fry some steaks. And I just got some smoky Montreal steak seasoning. And I'm just going to use to season them up a little bit before I put them in there. After you get both sides nice and seasoned up, I'm just going to put them straight in there. Looks like I'm only going to be able to fit 2 of them. Some more on the sides. Put that one in there too. And we'll pop it in the air fryer. 400 degrees. For 10 minutes, and then we'll check on it. Alright, our 10 minutes is up. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. Grab one out of there. Might be a little bit rare. We'll see. There you go. If you like yours a little bit more medium rare, maybe. Be good. That's delicious. If you want it a little bit more well done, just add a couple minutes to it. If you guys like this content, please subscribe and hit the bell notification. And until next time, thanks for watching.